Today we're going to talk about some of the craziest real estate closings that I've been involved with. I've been practicing real estate law for over 25 years, and during that time I've worked with a lot of investors. Now these investors often purchase distressed properties in last-minute situations, so as you can imagine, this can be somewhat eventful. So I'm going to tell you about some of the craziest real estate closings I've ever been involved with. The first one I'll call the deed for donkeys. One of my investor clients purchased a home, and my client did not go to the home before the closing. So after the closing, my client's representative went to the home and they discovered that there was a donkey included with the purchase, and that donkey was to remain on the property. Apparently, this donkey had a fan club with regular visitors, and the sellers left detailed instructions for donkey care. The moral of the story is, always do a final walkthrough so there's no surprises. The second craziest closing I've been involved with is what I call shed man. My client found a man living in the shed. This is a regular old shed on the outside of the home in the back. But when my client went into the shed, this man was where he was living in the shed. It was all decorated with mirrors and furniture. It was a little crazy for a shed. So the moral of the story is, always do a final walkthrough so there are no surprises. And lastly, I want to call this one the most professional closing ever. So one of my investor clients was buying a distressed home, and it was a long way from my office, so we sent a mobile notary to perform the signing. And this mobile notary sent us back the closing documents with the following notes. The notary said there was a chicken roosting on the refrigerator and it was clucking the entire time I was there. Go figure. Unfortunately, there are many more, folks, so look for another video with some more crazy stories. If you have any questions, you want to hear more about these crazy closings, call me at Legal Counsel PA. If you have questions about this, I'll give you answers.